The purpose of this screencast is to walk you through the creation of the Works Cited page. And it's important that you complete this Works Cited page because you'll need it as part of your essay test. It'll count as part of your grade. And whatever information you plug into the Works Cited page will essentially help you with your in-text citations. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Noodle Tools website, log in with, I just logged in with my Google account, and you're going to click on New Project and title your project with your last name, hyphen, TTTC essay test. The things they carried essay test. And make sure you select MLA, Handbook, and Advanced and click Submit. You can see that I already have my essay test project created, so I'm going to select it and then click on Sources at the top of the page. In order to, you obviously don't need to cite every source that's on the Green Beret document that you worked with a few days ago or a week ago at this point. If you are using paraphrases or quotes from every single one of these sources, then you have to cite them all. And Noodle Tools will help you do that. You have to create a Works Cited page for them all, and Noodle Tools will help you do that. But if, let's say, if you did not use Gale ebooks, then you don't need to include that in your Works Cited page. So just as a sample, I think that I'm going to work with ProQuest Central Student to show you how it's done. So I click on New Source, and most of these are databases, if not all. I think the only one that's not is YouTube. And I select database, and I'm going to need to have a feel for the article before I go any further. So I'm going to click on the article and open it up. And they actually make it easy for me. It says right there that it's a magazine. And I also know that because there's a volume and an issue. So I'm going to go ahead and click on magazine. I need to select the name of my database, which is ProQuest. So they want me to select something more specific. So if I go back to the link, it says it's ProQuest Central Student. So that's the one I'm going to click on, ProQuest Central K-12. And then the URL, I will just, oh no, gotta go back, sorry. Just copy and paste the URL. So the DOI is the Digital Object Identifier. It has to do with numbers in the link. So I know that some of these numbers count as the Digital Object Identifier, but I'm not sure exactly which ones. So I'm just going to leave that blank for now. My most recent date of access is today. So I'm going to say the 30th. Now we get down to the author's name. So it's D.M. Jung Greco. Maybe the full name is at the bottom of the article. Nope. D.M. Jung Greco is what's provided. So I'm going back to Noodle Tools. D is the first name. M is the middle initial. And it says that there are contributors. Terry Griswold, Catherine Moore. So I will add those contributors. So I'm going to go in and type those names. Terry Griswold and Catherine Moore. Okay. Now we have the article title that we need to include, which I believe is just Special Forces. See if the pages are listed. Yep, 50 to 59. The name of the magazine. I believe that was at the bottom. Yep, Forbes magazine. Volume and issue. Gotta go back to the top. Wait a sec. I think I made a mistake. I think, yeah, the name of the magazine is actually American Heritage and the copyright is Forbes. So I'm going to go back and change that. The volume is 53 and the issue is 6. November, December 2002. Is the publication date. That's all I'm going to include for now. Save it. And we have our very first bit of works cited information.